A punnet contains X strawberries. 4 of the strawberries are bad. 2 strawberries are taken out without replacement. The probability of removing 2 bad strawberries is 1 over 11. How many strawberries in total are there in the punnet? We have a total of X strawberries, 4 of which are bad, which means that X minus 4 must be good. On the first pick, we have 4 bad strawberries and a total of X strawberries, so the probability is 4 over X. Instead, if we pick a good strawberry, the probability is X minus 4 over X. After picking 1 strawberry, there are a total of X minus 1 strawberries now left in the punnet. On the second pick, if we already have picked a bad strawberry, then we have 1 less to pick from now. So the probability of picking a bad strawberry the second time is 3 over X minus 1. As picking a bad strawberry the first time means that the number of good strawberries in the punnet hasn't changed, so there are still X minus 4 good strawberries to pick from. Picking a good strawberry the first time means that the number of bad strawberries hasn't changed and is still 4. If we picked a good strawberry the first time, we are 1 good strawberry down, so now we have X minus 5 to pick from, giving the probability as X minus 5 over X minus 1. The combinations of picking strawberries are a bad one then a bad one, a bad then a good then a bad, and a good and then a good. These are the calculations that are needed to make if the probabilities are all required, but in the question we were given the probability of picking 2 bad strawberries as 1 over 11. We write the equation for bad and make it equal to 1 over 11. We multiply out, rearrange and factorise, getting x equals 12 or x equals minus 11. We cannot have a negative number of strawberries, so x equals 12, and the number of strawberries is 12.